Welcome to our exploration of the supply chain revolution. In today's fast-paced world, supply chains are the backbone of global commerce, connecting manufacturers, distributors, and consumers. But what makes modern supply chains so dynamic? It's the key innovations that are transforming how goods move, how information flows, and how businesses operate. In this video, we'll dive deep into the technologies and strategies reshaping supply chains, from automation to data analytics, and see how these changes impact efficiency, sustainability, and competitiveness. Let's begin by understanding what a supply chain is and why innovation matters. Supply chain is a network of organizations, people, activities, information, and resources involved in moving a product or service from supplier to customer. Traditionally, supply chains were linear and often slow to adapt to changes. Today, however, they are becoming more interconnected and agile, thanks to technological advancements. Understanding this basic definition sets the stage for appreciating the innovations that are making supply chains smarter and more responsive. As we move forward, keep in mind the complexity and importance of these networks in our daily lives. One of the most impactful innovations is automation in warehousing. Automated systems such as robotic pickers and conveyor belts streamline operations by reducing manual labor and minimizing errors. These technologies enable warehouses to handle larger volumes of goods with greater speed and accuracy. Automation not only improves efficiency, but also enhances worker safety by taking over repetitive or hazardous tasks. As warehouses become smarter, businesses can respond faster to customer demands and optimize their inventory management. Internet of Things, or IoT, is revolutionizing supply chains by connecting physical objects to the digital world. Sensors and devices embedded in trucks, containers, and warehouses provide real-time data on location, temperature, and condition of goods. This connectivity allows companies to monitor shipments, predict maintenance needs, and respond quickly to disruptions. IoT enhances transparency and traceability, making supply chains more reliable and resilient. As IoT adoption grows, businesses gain unprecedented visibility into their operations. Artificial intelligence is another game-changer for supply chains. AI-powered algorithms analyze massive amounts of data to optimize routes, forecast demand, and manage inventory. Machine learning models can detect patterns and anomalies, helping companies make smarter decisions and reduce costs. AI also enables automation in customer service, procurement, and logistics, freeing up human resources for more strategic tasks. With AI, supply chains become more adaptive and efficient, responding quickly to market changes. Blockchain technology is transforming supply chain transparency and security. By creating immutable records of transactions, blockchain ensures that every step in the supply chain is traceable and verifiable. This reduces fraud, errors, and disputes while increasing trust among partners. Blockchain can also streamline paperwork and compliance, making processes faster and more efficient. As more companies adopt blockchain, supply chains become more secure and transparent, benefiting both businesses and consumers. Data analytics is unlocking new insights in supply chain management. By collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data from multiple sources, companies can identify trends, forecast demand, and optimize operations. Data-driven decisions lead to better inventory management, improved customer satisfaction, and reduced costs. Big data also helps companies anticipate disruptions and respond proactively. As analytics tools become more sophisticated, supply chains gain a competitive edge through smarter strategies. Cloud computing is enabling supply chains to become more flexible and scalable. By storing data and applications in the cloud, companies can access information from anywhere, collaborate in real time, and scale their operations quickly. Cloud platforms support integration with other technologies, such as IoT and AI, creating a seamless digital ecosystem. This flexibility allows businesses to adapt to changing market conditions and customer needs, making supply chains more resilient and efficient. Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical assets, processes, or systems. In supply chains, digital twins allow companies to simulate and optimize operations before making changes in the real world. This innovation helps identify bottlenecks, test new strategies, and improve efficiency. By using digital twins, businesses can reduce risks, save costs, and enhance performance. As digital twin technology advances, supply chains become more agile and proactive. Sustainability is a growing priority in supply chains. Innovations such as eco-friendly packaging, energy-efficient transportation, and waste reduction are helping companies minimize their environmental impact. Sustainable practices not only benefit the planet but also improve brand reputation and customer loyalty. By adopting green technologies and strategies, supply chains can meet regulatory requirements and stay competitive in a changing world. Sustainability is now a key driver of innovation and transformation. Last-mile delivery is often the most challenging part of the supply chain. Innovations such as drones, autonomous vehicles, and smart lockers are making last-mile delivery faster and more efficient. These technologies help companies overcome urban congestion, reduce delivery times, and improve customer satisfaction. By optimizing last-mile logistics, businesses can gain a competitive advantage and meet the growing demands of e-commerce. The future of delivery is smarter and more connected. Collaboration is essential for supply chain success. Digital platforms enable companies to share information, coordinate activities, and manage relationships with suppliers and partners. These platforms foster transparency, trust, and efficiency, allowing businesses to respond quickly to changes and disruptions. By leveraging collaborative tools, supply chains become more agile and resilient, driving innovation and growth. The power of teamwork is amplified through digital collaboration. Visibility is a critical factor in supply chain management. Innovations such as real-time tracking, advanced analytics, and integrated dashboards provide companies with a clear view of their operations. Enhanced visibility helps identify issues, optimize processes, and improve decision-making. By investing in visibility tools, businesses can reduce risks, increase efficiency, and deliver better customer experiences. Transparency is the foundation of a successful supply chain. Predictive analytics uses historical data and machine learning to forecast future events in supply chains. This innovation helps companies anticipate demand, identify potential disruptions, and plan accordingly. Predictive analytics enables proactive decision-making, reducing costs and improving service levels. As these tools become more advanced, supply chains can stay ahead of the curve and respond quickly to market changes. The power of prediction is transforming supply chain management. Smart inventory management systems use sensors, AI, and analytics to monitor stock levels and optimize replenishment. These systems reduce overstocking and stockouts, ensuring that products are available when needed. By automating inventory processes, companies can save costs, improve accuracy, and enhance customer satisfaction. Smart inventory management is a key innovation driving supply chain efficiency and reliability. Digital procurement platforms streamline purchasing processes by automating workflows, managing supplier relationships, and tracking orders. These platforms reduce paperwork, improve transparency, and enable faster decision-making. By digitizing procurement, companies can negotiate better deals, ensure compliance, and enhance collaboration with suppliers. Digital procurement is transforming how businesses source materials and services, making supply chains more agile and efficient. Omnichannel fulfillment integrates multiple sales channels, such as online, in-store, and mobile, to deliver a seamless customer experience. Innovations in logistics and technology enable companies to manage orders, inventory, and deliveries across channels. This approach improves flexibility, reduces costs, and meets customer expectations for fast and convenient service. Omnichannel fulfillment is a key trend in modern supply chains, driven by changing consumer behavior. Advanced robotics are transforming supply chain operations from manufacturing to distribution. Robots can perform complex tasks such as sorting, packing, and transporting goods with high precision and speed. These innovations reduce labor costs, increase productivity, and improve safety. As robotics technology evolves, supply chains become more automated and efficient, paving the way for new business models and opportunities. 3D printing is enabling on-demand manufacturing and customization in supply chains. Companies can produce parts and products closer to customers, reducing lead times and transportation costs. 3D printing also supports rapid prototyping and innovation, allowing businesses to test new designs quickly. As this technology becomes more accessible, supply chains gain flexibility and responsiveness, meeting diverse customer needs. Augmented reality is enhancing supply chain operations by providing real-time information and guidance. AR can assist workers in picking, packing, and assembling products, reducing errors and improving efficiency. This technology also supports training and maintenance, making processes faster and safer. As AR adoption grows, supply chains become more interactive and intelligent, driving innovation and performance. Mobile technology is empowering supply chain workers with real-time access to information and tools. Smartphones and tablets enable communication, tracking, and reporting from anywhere, improving responsiveness and coordination. Mobile apps support inventory management, delivery tracking, and customer service, making supply chains more agile and efficient. The rise of mobile technology is transforming how supply chains operate, connecting people and processes. Smart transportation systems use sensors, GPS, and analytics to optimize routes and monitor vehicle performance. These innovations reduce fuel consumption, improve delivery times, and enhance safety. Smart transportation also supports real-time tracking and predictive maintenance, minimizing disruptions and costs. As transportation becomes smarter, supply chains gain efficiency and reliability, meeting the demands of modern commerce. Managing supplier relationships is crucial for supply chain success. Innovations in digital platforms and analytics enable companies to evaluate supplier performance, negotiate contracts, and ensure compliance. These tools foster collaboration, transparency, and trust, helping businesses build strong partnerships. Supplier relationship management is a key driver of supply chain resilience and competitiveness. Risk management tools help companies identify, assess, and mitigate risks in supply chains. Innovations such as real-time monitoring, predictive analytics, and scenario planning enable proactive responses to disruptions. These tools improve resilience, reduce losses, and ensure continuity of operations. Risk management is becoming more sophisticated, driven by technology and data. Customer-centric supply chains focus on delivering value and satisfaction. Innovations such as personalized products, flexible delivery options, and real-time communication enhance the customer experience. By aligning supply chain strategies with customer needs, businesses can build loyalty and drive growth. Customer centricity is a key trend shaping the future of supply chains. Integrated planning systems connect supply chain functions, such as procurement, production, and distribution, into a unified platform. These systems enable real-time coordination, optimize resources, and improve decision-making. By integrating planning, companies can respond quickly to changes and align strategies across the supply chain. Integrated planning is a key innovation driving efficiency and agility. Automated order processing systems streamline order management by reducing manual tasks and errors. These systems enable faster fulfillment, improve accuracy, and enhance customer satisfaction. Automation in order processing is transforming how businesses handle orders, making supply chains more efficient and responsive. Real-time communication tools enable instant collaboration and information sharing across the supply chain. Innovations such as messaging apps, video conferencing, and integrated platforms improve coordination and responsiveness. Real-time communication is essential for managing disruptions, resolving issues, and driving innovation. Flexible manufacturing systems enable companies to adapt production processes quickly to changing demands. Innovations such as modular equipment, automation, and digital controls support customization and scalability. Flexible manufacturing improves efficiency, reduces costs, and supports innovation in supply chains. Smart packaging uses sensors, QR codes, and RFID tags to provide information about products and monitor their condition. This innovation improves traceability, reduces waste, and enhances customer engagement. Smart packaging is transforming how products are tracked and managed in supply chains. Energy management systems optimize energy use in supply chain operations. Innovations such as renewable energy, smart grids, and energy-efficient equipment reduce costs and environmental impact. Energy management is becoming a key focus for sustainable supply chains. Reverse logistics manages the return, recycling, and disposal of products. Innovations in tracking, automation, and analytics improve efficiency and sustainability. Reverse logistics is essential for meeting regulatory requirements and supporting circular economy initiatives. Supply chain security is critical for protecting assets and information. Innovations such as cybersecurity, surveillance, and access controls reduce risks and ensure continuity. Security is becoming more sophisticated as supply chains become more digital and interconnected. Globalization and localization strategies enable supply chains to operate efficiently across borders while meeting local needs. Innovations in logistics, technology, and data analytics support global coordination and local customization. Balancing globalization and localization is key to supply chain success in a diverse world. Circular supply chains focus on reusing, recycling, and repurposing materials to minimize waste and environmental impact. Innovations in reverse logistics, sustainable materials, and tracking systems support circularity. Circular supply chains are becoming a key trend in sustainability and innovation. Supplier diversity initiatives promote inclusion and resilience in supply chains. Innovations in digital platforms and analytics support diverse supplier sourcing and evaluation. Supplier diversity is becoming a strategic priority for companies seeking to build strong, flexible supply chains. Automated forecasting systems use AI and analytics to predict demand and supply trends. These innovations improve planning, reduce costs, and enhance responsiveness. Automated forecasting is transforming how supply chains anticipate and respond to market changes. Smart contracts use blockchain technology to automate and secure transactions in supply chains. These contracts reduce paperwork, ensure compliance, and increase transparency. Smart contracts are becoming a key innovation for efficient and secure supply chain management. Dynamic routing systems use real-time data and analytics to optimize transportation routes. These innovations reduce delivery times, lower costs, and improve reliability. Dynamic routing is becoming essential for efficient supply chain logistics. Digital documentation systems automate paperwork and record-keeping in supply chains. Innovations such as electronic signatures, cloud storage, and integrated platforms improve efficiency and compliance. Digital documentation is transforming how supply chains manage information. Real-time inventory tracking uses sensors, RFID, and analytics to monitor stock levels and locations. This innovation improves accuracy, reduces losses, and enhances efficiency. Real-time tracking is becoming a standard in modern supply chains. Automated quality control systems use sensors, AI, and analytics to inspect products and processes. These innovations improve accuracy, reduce defects, and enhance customer satisfaction. Automated quality control is transforming how supply chains ensure product quality. Remote monitoring systems enable companies to oversee supply chain operations from anywhere. Innovations in sensors, cloud platforms, and analytics improve visibility and control. Remote monitoring is becoming essential for managing global supply chains. Innovations in employee training such as virtual reality, online platforms, and interactive tools improve skills and safety in supply chains. These technologies support continuous learning and adaptation, making supply chains more agile and resilient. Employee training is becoming a key focus for supply chain innovation. As we've seen, key innovations are transforming supply chains into smarter, faster, and more sustainable networks. From automation and AI to sustainability and collaboration, these advancements are reshaping how businesses operate and compete. The future of supply chains will be driven by technology, data, and a focus on customer value. By embracing innovation, companies can build resilient, efficient, and responsive supply chains that meet the challenges of a changing world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the supply chain revolution.